Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to make the mouse pointer to hand using CSS. So we can change the mouse pointers to different icons. So in this case, if someone wants the hand icon, currently you can see it is an arrow icon. If we want to change this cursor mouse pointer to some another icon, then we can do it using CSS. So I will just jump into the code to demonstrate how it works. So currently I will just write here some text here, normal text. I will save the document. I will run it. So currently we can see when we hover this text, it has a icon which is somewhat like text selection icon. This is changing. It is a text selection icon. So how we can change this mouse pointer with the help of CSS? So we will do one thing here. We will create a list here. And I will also create a span here. I will save the HTML. I will run it here. So we have here three different text here. One is the normal text, one is within the list, and another is the span text. Currently the mouse pointer is showing like text selector. So if you want to change it, we have to define a class here, style here. So I will define a style here called as links, just for an example. Here I will use the property called as cursor, and I will give the value as pointer. I have created the class now, style now. I will apply this style to the list. I will save the document. I will again refresh the page here. Page is refreshed. So we have applied the style to the list here. So you can see now the mouse pointer has been changed to hand. Firstly it was just a text selector icon. Currently it is an hand icon. So if I hover here, currently it is the same. That is the default mouse pointer. So this is how we can change the mouse pointer with the help of cursor property. So there are different actually types of icons which we can display. For example, if I can give a crosshair, I will save. I will again refresh the page. So it is again showing as crosshair. The icon has changed now. I will demonstrate couple of more here. Cursor, for example, move is there. I will save. I will again refresh the page. It is now move icon, move pointer. Another one, if I want like progress, for example, I will save. I will again run it here. It is a progress. You can see now the loader is been shown. That is a progress, in progress icon. Similarly, there are many other. You can try it out. There is zoom in. There is wait. For example, if I select here zoom in, I will save. Again I will run here. It is showing me zoom in. And if I want the text here, which it was displaying previously by default, I will save again. I will refresh the page. See, it is now text icon, which is actually similar to the default. which is indeed the default mouse pointer. So if you want to put a hand here, you we can give here pointer, and this class we can apply to span also. So I will copy this to the span also. Same pointer we are used, cursor pointer. This will convert the icon to the hand tool. See, this is also, span has also changed now. The normal text is still the same. Here we applied the class. To the span also we applied the same class style. So basically this is the property through which we can modify the mouse pointers to various different icons. So you can try it out. There are many more here. So based on the requirement of the web page or based on the scenario, we can use different pointers here, different cursors. You can also check here, if I write here href, that is the hyperlink, I will save here and I will run here. I'm just putting a break here so that it will. So hyperlinks are by default displayed with an hand icon. So we do not have to put a style, change the mouse pointer. For hyperlinks it is hand icon by default. It also shows the underline plus the color is also changed, but in case of default text like the text within the paragraphs or span tags or maybe through list, so in that case we have to change the style, we have to use the style manually. In case of hyperlinks it is by default displayed as an hand cursor. So pointer is the value which we need to use to bring the hand icon for the mouse pointer. So this was it for today. We will learn how to change the mouse pointer to hand with the help of CSS. Thank you for watching.